Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Let's start our course content. Are you observing my window?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, we are continuing the same topic. We did some questions last week, and we'll continue some questions today also. And afterward, we'll learn the remaining things. Okay, can anyone tell me which chapter is remaining to read in the class? How many chapters are remaining to read?
Sir, sit.
Set is remaining to read.
No, sir.
Section she had not taught this.
Sit.
See, it is remaining. For others,
Not read it.
which chapter is remaining? Please tell it to me. I'll make slide for those chapters next day.
For algebra.
Chapter is
No,
Bearing
sir.
and
Sir, bearing
centering.
is Yes, sir. Bearing and spin drawing. Bearing and spin.
just for 1 mark, so that is not too much important. We'll do some important questions from 10 sets for the bearing. Okay, as you learn in grade 7 मा जे कुराहरु पढा थिए त्यही कुराहरुबाट खाली 1 marks को क्वेशन आउँछ bearing बाट. So it's not too much important for you.
Sir,
Okay.
sit.
Okay, we'll continue that afterward.
Algebra, sir.
Question
Algebra.
read and graph.
Which exercise is remaining from algebra? Yes, please.
Sir,
20.3.1, 20.3.2, 20.4.1, 20.4.2, sir. 20.4.3.
Sir,
20.4.4,
from
sir.
LCM and SCF, sir.
Yes, sir. 20.4.1, last exercise, sir.
Last week we did some questions. Among them, just look at this question. I think we completed this one. We completed this one last week.
Yes, sir.
So now look at question number 8. Question is factorize. So in its solution, there are 3 terms given to us and we have to break down it into 4 terms. 3टा टर्महरु दिएको छ, 4वटा टर्ममा ब्रेक डाउन गर्नुपर्ने. And process to break down is we have to look at this last term as well as the middle coefficient. बिचमा भएको coefficient र last term लाई हेर्नु पर्यो. And then get two numbers. Product is last one 24 and whose
8 minus 3,
5.
sir. 8 minus
8
3.
minus is 5 and 8 3 is 24. Okay, so those are our two numbers which we required. So here in place of 5 we have to write 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 24. If there is minus sign छ भने minus गरेर 5 हुने चाहियो. यहाँनिर प्लस साइन भएको भए प्लस गरेर 5 हुने चाहिन्थ्यो. लास्टको साइन हेर्नुपर्छ हामीले. 8 3 is 24, 8 minus 3 it is 5. So now write it in simple form. X square minus 8 into x, 8x minus into minus it is plus 3x minus 24. Now common from first two. The first दुईटाबाट के common लिन सकिन्छ? We can take
Yes,
x
sir.
as a common. Remaining value is x minus 8.
X
Similarly,
minus 8, x plus 3.
last we can take 3 common and remaining value is x
X minus 8, x plus 3. X minus 8, x plus 3.
and x plus 3 is another common value.
Answer.
Yes, sir.
Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Let's move to next question. Question number 9. Question is simplify. A to the power m plus n plus 2 divided by a to the power m plus n into a to the power m plus n minus 2. It is given to us. Now in it, At first, in division, for division, we have to take the values in power of the same base in numerator, and these are subtracted. Sign change हुन्छ र multiplication को form मा भएको बेला के हुन्छ? We have to add the powers. Bases are same. If bases are same, powers are added. If bases are same in division, powers are subtracted. That things you have to remember. So at first, let us subtract the powers. यो m plus n छ, यिनीहरूलाई माथि लैजाऊ, minus हुन्छ, minus m minus n हुन्छ. It become m and m cancelled.
A common.
Yes. A common.
Yes, sir.
Cancelled. Similarly, n also cancelled. Remaining value
A
a
plus
power
2.
a
2.
power into a power m plus n minus 2. Again we have to add the powers. यहाँ 2 मात्रै बच्यो, यो पावरहरु पनि फेरि एड हुन्छ. Plus m plus n minus 2. Now 2 and 2 cancelled. This 2 and this one, these are cancelled. Remaining value is a
M
to the
plus n.
power n plus n, and this is our required answer. Is there any problem or confusion in any line?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So that A M
Yes, please.
sir there A
Please repeat it. Continue it.
that second line, sir.
Who was asking, Milan or
Sir,
Sanjog?
second line.
Sanjog Pandey, sir. Sanjog Pandey.
Okay. This second line, in second line you have problem?
Yes, sir.
Your second line में के
After
भयो
that,
भने?
sir.
Yes, please.
The second line.
Yes, sir.
Second line में के भयो
Down
भने?
there, sir.
Denominator मा पनि a power m plus n छ नि? There is a power m
Yes, sir.
plus n in denominator. While taking it in numerator, we have to subtract these. Subtract गर्नु भनेको दुईटैको साइन चेन्ज हुन्छ. यो यतिकै लेख्यौं, a power m plus n plus 2. We have written it
Minus,
as
sir.
सर तल माइनस
Okay.
भए माथि प्लस हुन्थ्यो नि.
तल माइनस भएको भए माथि गएर प्लस हुन्छ.
प्लस
Okay.
हुन्थ्यो.
2.
Okay, sir.
m minus n छ, m minus n यहाँबाट माथि गएको. यहाँबाट m minus m minus n दुईटै प्लस छ, तल माथि गएर के हुन्छ? It will be minus. It will be subtracted while taking these in numerator.
Minus.
Is clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now these are cancelled. अब यसपछि त क्लियर छ नि?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
remaining यो दुईटा यिनीहरु पनि एड भयो यहाँ. यो दुईटैको बेस सेम छ. यहाँ a छ, यहाँ पनि a छ. बेस यहाँ 2 बचेको छ पावर and m plus n minus 2 also. यो 2 फर्स्ट को पावर हो, m plus n minus 2 सेकंड को पावर. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if it is clear, let's move to next question. Question number 10. There is a question to factorize a square plus 16a plus 39. So we need two number whose sum is 16 and whose product is 39. Multiply गरेर 39 हुने, add गरेर 16 हुने दुईटा नम्बर चाहियो.
13 plus 3.
13 plus 3 16 and 13 3 is 39. So easily we can factorize this one also. We can write here 13a plus 3a. Directly I have written it. यहाँ बीचमा 13 plus 3 अनि a next time मा यो आउँछ है. If there is positive sign, you can write it directly.
त्यही भएर
because there
बोलिरहेको
is
छु.
no change for positive sign. Positive sign हुँदाखेरि जस्तो 13 plus 3 लेखेको छ भने 13 plus 3 नै हुन्छ. But for negative sign, we have to change the sign. Sign change गर्नु पर्यो हुन्छ, त्यसैले त्यहाँ bracket राखेर लेख्नु जरुरी छ. 13a plus 3a, it is 16a, and 13 is 39. Now, what is common from first two?
A.
A.
A, sorry.
A, sir.
Common.
B.
Remaining value is
A
a
is
plus
common.
from last two. After taking 3 common, the remaining value is a plus
A
A
plus
plus
13.
13, A plus 3. A plus 13, A plus 3.
3 is our
Answer.
required answer.
Answer.
It is clear?
Yes.
So if it is clear, let's move to next question. Question number 11. So look at the question. Find the quotient. That means a question related to division is given to us. If it is said find the quotient, 8a power 5 b cube divided by 9x power 4 y square whole divided by 6a power 4 b square divided by 15x cube y. So we know the rule. If there is fraction in division, we have to change this division sign into multiplication and we have
And
to
reciprocal.
of the second fraction. पछाडिको फ्र्याक्सनलाई उल्टो बनाउनु पर्छ. न्युमरेटरलाई डिनोमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटरलाई न्युमरेटर बनायो भने त्यो भयो रेसिप्रोकल. We have to change division sign into multiplication and take the reciprocal of second fraction. Okay.
Yes.
At first, write it as it is in its solution. After that, now change this division sign into multiplication and write 15x cube y divided by 6a power 4 b square. Just यो फ्र्याक्सनलाई हामीले उल्ट्याउने काम मात्रै गर्यौं. के गरेर डिभिजन साइनलाई मल्टिप्लिकेसनमा चेन्ज गरेर. इट इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
सर पछाडिकोलाई मात्र
यस. सेकेन्ड फ्र्याक्सन डिभिजन साइन पछि भएको फ्र्याक्सनलाई उल्टो बनाउने हो. फर्स्ट फ्र्याक्सन जस्ताको त्यस्तै हुन्छ. ओके. इट इज क्लियर?
Sir, 3 terms
Yes,
are
sir.
left.
सर
3 टर्म्स हुँदा पनि जुन डिभिजन पछिको फ्र्याक्सन छ नि, डिभिजन लगत्तै भएको फ्र्याक्सन, त्यो फ्र्याक्सनलाई उल्टो बनाउने.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
अब काट्ने हो सर.
सर क्रस मल्टिप्लाई और
Now multiply numerators as well as denominators. माथिको मल्टिप्लाई गर, त्यसै गरी तलको मल्टिप्लाई गर. ओके. 8 into 15 or you can cancel out numerator and denominator, cancel out गरे पनि हुन्छ है. 8 into 15 it is 120, 9 into 6 it is 54. And for the variables यो कन्स्टेन्टहरु त हामीले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यौं. 8 into 15 and 9 into 6 यसो गर्यौं. For variables, if there is smaller variable in denominator, that in numerator, मा सानो भेरिएबल छ भने यसलाई तल जानु पर्छ. बेस सेम भएको पावरहरु सबट्र्याक्ट हुन्छ. तलदेखि माथि लैजाँदा या माथिदेखि तल लैजाँदा. Just look at this a only. यहाँनिर a छ नि, a power 5 and here is a power 4.
सर क्रस मल्टिप्लाई
Cross multiply होइन. It is in denominator, this one is in numerator. So we have to subtract the power while taking it in numerator. यसलाई माथि लैजाँदाखेरि पावर 5 minus
सर त्यो 8 ले 15 लाई गरेपछि अनि त्यो पावर तलको माथिको गर्ने हो सर.
Yes, repeat again.
त्यो
Sir,
8
त्यो
र
second step मा
15
cancel गर्दा
मल्टिप्लाई हुँदाखेरि सर त्यो पावरहरु तल माथि माइनस कसरी भयो सर?
यो त डिभिजनमा छ नि, तल भएको सबै डिभिजनमा हुन्, माथि भएको मल्टिप्लाईमा हुन्. माथिको माथिसँग मल्टिप्लाई हुन्छ, तलको तलसँग मल्टिप्लाई हुन्छ. तर तलकोले माथिलाई के गर्दैछ? डिभाइड गर्दैछ.
माइनस पावर गर्ने सर.
यस, डिभाइड गर्दैछ. तलको दुईटै भ्यालुले माथिको दुईटै भ्यालुलाई डिभाइड गरिराखेको हो. सो यो 4 यहाँ माथि गएर के हुन्छ? 5 minus 2. माथि 5 छ, तल 4 छ. ओके. Similarly,
Yes, sir.
look at this क्यूब यहाँ बी क्यूब छ यहाँ बी स्क्वायर यो पनि बी स्क्वायर को 2 माथि गएर के भयो -2 3 -2
सर जसको भ्यालु हुन्न त्यसको ठाउँमा 1 लेख्नु पर्छ
जसको पावरमा के छैन त्यसको ठाउँमा 1
यस सर
ओके
2 3 दा 6 2 4 दा 8 गरेर सेकेन्ड स्टेपमा काट्दा हुन्छ
काटे पनि हुन्छ ओके सिमिलरली लुक एट दिस x cube sorry look at this x power 4 and x cube यो 3 तल आएर यहाँ माइनस गरौँ 4 minus 3 so look at these things carefully यो 4 minus 3 गरेको 3 तल ल्यायौँ त्यस्तै नेक्स्ट वान there is y means y power 1 and there is y square तल ल्याएर के गरौँ त पावर 2 minus 1 this 2 minus
120 AB 54 XY.
okay now we can cancel out these two 120 र 54 दुईटैलाई डिवाइड हुने सेम नम्बर चाहियो by which number we can cancel out these two
2
sir 1 is winning
yes both are divisible by 6 to the 2 there will be 20 माथि 20 हुने भयो तल 6 9 जे 54 तल बस्ने भयो 9 6 to the 12 and 0 it is 20 6 9 je 54 so remaining value in denominator is 9 in numerator there is 20
20 sir what AB?
20 AB divided by 9xy because 5 minus 4 it is 1 3 minus 2 it is also 1 4 minus 3 1 2 minus सबै 1 छ 1 भएपछि लेखिराख्नु पर्दैन it is AB and xy in denominator
sir we can cut the base in second
you can cut these in second step also जुन
yes sir
constant भ्यालुहरु छन् constant भ्यालुहरु तिनीहरुलाई सेकेन्ड स्टेपमै यसरी काटे पनि हुन्छ ओके for example 4 to the 8 just look at this one and here यहाँनिर 6 छ नि यहाँनिर 8 छ यही क्यान्सल आउट गर्दा पनि हुन्छ we can write here 4 because 4 to the 8 and 6 it is 3 to the 8 sorry 3 to the 6 2 ले क्यान्सल आउट गर्दा यहाँ 4 बच्यो यहाँ 3 similarly if we will cancel 3 and 15 3 ले 15 लाई डिवाइड हुन्छ नि
yes sir 3 5 0 15
3 5 ja 15 here will be 5
5.
अब
now
5 ja 4 5 ja यहाँ कति भयो 20 आयो
20.
आयो नि त्यसै तल यहाँ कति बच्यो 9
9.
यो सेकेन्ड स्टेपमै क्यान्सल आउट गरेर लेखिदिए पनि हुन्छ
sir पावरलाई पनि क्यान्सल आउट गर्दा हुन्छ नि
पावरलाई 5 र 4 लाई कसरी क्यान्सल आउट गर्छौ
अनि सर अनि त्यही तरिकामा हामीले पावरलाई पनि त्यही माइनस गर्नुपर्ने भयो नि सर
पावर वी हैव टु सबट्र्याक्ट अथवा 5 चोटी a लेखेर
अनि त्यही आन्सर आइहाल्छ
a क्यान्सल गर्नु पर्यो अथवा a पावर 4 इन्टु a लेख्नु पर्यो a पावर 5 लाई then you can cancel so its solution is clear to you all
yes sir
clear or not
yes sir
yes sir
Yes, sir.
clear let's move to next question next question is simplify x square minus a square by ax plus a into 2a divided by x minus a at first in its solution we have to copy it as it is and then
LCM.
we will start its
In the-
solution oh
त्यो माथिको फर्मुला भन्छ x plus x minus a
x square minus a square it means x plus a x
x minus a
and in denominator a is common from these two. यो दुईटाबाट a common छ. A times x plus a बच्यो. And here there is x minus a. What we can cancel out?
We can cancel out x minus a.
Minus a, x minus a. Similarly, this a and this a.
A.
What is the remaining now?
2 times x plus a upon x plus 1.
2 times x plus a divided by x plus
X
1.
plus 1.
This is our required answer.
multiply वा divide छ भने पछि त्यसलाई एलसीएम लाग्नु पर्दैन
LCM
yes sir
for these two terms.
yes sir
Here is common, so we can.
Plus sign or minus sign, then we have to take LCM. If there is plus sign or
minus
sign.
sign
Okay. For multiplication or division, we have to simplify in this way. X in division ko question पण त गर्यो. Previous question was related to division. This question is
Yes, sir.
related to multiplication. So in this question, we have to cancel out in this way because there is multiplication sign at middle. Okay. But if there is plus sign or minus sign, we have to take LCM of first and second denominators. दुईटैको denominatorहरुको LCM लिएर गर्नुपर्छ.
yes sir
So let us solve some more questions related to 4 marks. Look at this question. Find the LCM of x square minus 3x plus 2 and x square plus x plus 2. So we have to factorize the both expressions. First expression is x square minus 3x plus 2.
X
Write
X
down-
bracket X
2 plus 1.
Break down it into 4 parts. We need two numbers whose product is 2 and sum is 3.
2 plus 1.
2 plus 1.
Plus
X square minus 2 plus 1x plus 2.
2.
After multiplying, x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. We get it after multiplying inside. Then 2 plus 1 theory. Last term was x square minus 2 plus
2
1
plus
x
1 x plus 2.
After
X
multiplying
square minus
inside as well as minus inside, minus ले पनि भित्र multiply हुन्छ, x ले पनि multiply हुन्छ भित्र. Then we get x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. What is common from first two?
X.
X.
Remaining value is x minus 2. And nothing is common from last two means we have to take 1
minus
minus there is 1. After taking minus common, sign will be changed.
Minus plus minus.
Sign change by
plus minus minus.
is minus. So now x minus 2 is common, remaining value is x minus 1. X minus 2 and x minus 1 are our two factors required to us.
Expression.
Now look at second expression. Second expression is x square plus x plus 2. We need two numbers whose product is 2 and whose sum is 1.
sir
Can you get
Two.
the-
1 plus 1.
Yes?
2 minus 1
2 minus 1.
But there is addition sign.
Plus sir. Yes sir.
Plus sign. दुईटा नम्बर चाहियो एड गरेर 1 हुने हुनु पर्यो अनि प्रोडक्ट मल्टिप्लाई गरेर 2 हुने
Multiply गरेर
हुनु। So what are the
2.
numbers?
minus 1
1
2 plus bracket minus 1
We don't have such numbers whose product is 2 and whose sum is 1. जोडेर 1 हुने प्रोडक्ट हुने कुनै नम्बर हुँदैन. We have to leave it as it is. यसलाई यतिकै छोड्ने हो. We can't factorize it. It is not possible to factorize. If it is not possible to factorize in LCM, LCM means product of common factors into remaining factors. कमन फ्याक्टरहरु फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेसन का दुईटै फ्याक्टरहरु भए sorry, all are remaining factors because there is nothing common. We have to write the all factors of first expression as well as second expression if there is no common. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
So look at one more similar question. Question is find HCF. There are two expressions, y square plus 6y plus 6 and y square minus 4.
First expression is 3 plus 3.
3 3 जा 9.
3 3 जा 9 नहीं जस्तो छ।
So
3 plus 2.
expression y square plus 6y plus 6. What are the two numbers whose sum is 6 and product is 6?
3 plus 2.
3
No.
plus 2 is 5. Not
प्लस एच 5 हुने हो त 5 और 6 निक्लेन त
We can't find any number, sir.
okay. So we have to leave it as factorize गर्न possible भएन भने यतिकै छोड्ने हो. Now second one, we can write it as y square minus
2 square.
2 square y plus 2 times y minus. Is there any common between these two?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
First expression is nothing is common means our HCF is 1.
सर सर
Yes, please.
सर y स्क्वायर माइनस y माइनस 30 भयो भने के गर्ने सर
Y square minus
y माइनस 30
y minus 30.
हजुर
6 minus
Yes.
5, 1 and 6 5 is 30. हुँदैन त?
सर सल्भ गरेर देखाइदिनु सर
Y square. Wait.
Sir, solve हुन्छ.
Y square you will say minus 30.
y स्क्वायर माइनस y माइनस 30
Y.
माइनस 30
Okay.
Sir,
Minus
answer is y plus 5, y minus 6.
5 minus 4.
there is problem with my keyboard. In this case,
yes sir
Answer is y plus 5, y minus 6.
where
Huh?
next
Kolai.
let me copy it as it is. Okay, mute yourself after saying.
Adi sayo.
And in next step,
Y plus minus 5 y plus 4.
Answer will be y minus 6, y plus 5.
ए नबोल्न
उसले पनि सिक्न देउन खाली बोले.
y and minus into minus it will be plus 5y. What is common from first two?
y
Remaining value y minus 6. Similarly, what is common from last
प्लस
two?
5
5 value
6 y plus
Milan,
Yes, sir.
it is clear.
Yes, sir.
We have to solve in this way. Again, do you have any confusion?
No, sir.
Sir, 12 number, sir.
Mr.
सर आपले
Yes,
सिम्प्लिफाई सिकाउनु मल्टिप्लाई मा सिकाउनु
कसरी आयो सर
प्लस भएपछि कसरी गर्ने त्यो सिकाइदिनु
One common always.
one कसरी आयो भने HCF केही पनि छैन, सरी कमन केही छैन भने HCF 1 हुन्छ. 1 त कमन हुन्छ नि जेमा पनि. HCF means product of common factors. कमन फ्याक्टरहरूलाई मल्टिप्लाई गरेपछि HCF आउँछ. अब कमन केही छैन, that means there is one common. There is nothing common means one is common from both expressions. यो expression हाम्रो के थियो त यहाँनिर? There was y square plus 6y plus 6, isn't it? यहाँनिर थियो y square
ओके सर
y square plus 6y plus 6 and nothing is common from these. यो दुईटाबाट कमन के थियो? y square plus 6y plus 6 र y plus 2y minus 2 बाट कमन नभएपछि HCF 1 हुन्छ.
Yes, sir.
It is saying time is less than 1 minute, so we will discuss remaining things on next day. Okay, few seconds
set.
we will unable to finish the things. Tomorrow we will discuss the. Thank you all of you.